Guys, what is good? We are looking at PIK KIDPIK Corp. Okay, this was mentioned on the channel pretty early on throughout the day. Okay, after looking at it, I just want to show you a few things. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, so make your own decisions. Okay, but first of all, I looked at the chart, right? It doesn't really have that extensive a trading history, and there is a pretty large gap here where margins were pretty tight back in March. You know what I mean? Like, that's a little bit odd. Okay, now also there's not much news posted on it until July 6th, so it's like they just started, like, I don't know, they just started pumping news on it. Now I'm looking at fundamentals. So it shows that an enterprise that is, obviously going up, an enterprise value, book value per share, rising as well. Revenue decreasing though. Now keep in mind, we're dealing with like record inflation. Okay. So 21.83 million then is, shouldn't be 16 million, upcoming. Like that, the dollar is not the same dollar, and I think that I think that you guys get what I'm saying by that. Now here's something really, really sketchy. Look at the last names and look at the acquisition dates. Okay. I'm not accusing them of anything. I'm just saying, like, somebody named Martin Shkreli did something called a share recall and forced people to cover whenever they, felt as if it basically forced an infinity squeeze. Okay, and he didn't go to jail for that, although he has gone to jail for other things. But look at all these purchases on the same exact day, May 15th. Okay. Boom. Boom. Okay. So I find that very interesting. BlackRock is in this as well. Just want to throw that out there. Shorts. Look at the shorts on this. They added 130.57%. So I think that might be worth paying attention to. But look at the current utilization. That's not that high. Right? And the fundamentals have it at 41.7 million, okay, as an enterprise value last year. And it's already trading at, or it's only trading at, a market cap of 19 million. But another weird thing that I found was I went to their website. Look how bland their site is. Like, just looking at this website, I feel like a toddler went ahead and, did their best. You know what I mean? Like, it just... And all it does is it talks about, the, like, most recent reports, 2020. So, like, this is their homepage. So they're only updating. Okay, here's news that, like, they have a feed of, but it says most recent reports 2020. That was 2 years ago. I don't know, guys. This looks like con tech. Exactly. Like, it looks like con tech. I'm not accusing anyone of anything, but it looks like con tech. You know what I mean? I see it losing steam right now. Honestly, unless they issued a share recall, because that could be done, and it could be, very, very, it could have a lot of momentum. Okay. I don't see it maintaining the levels that it's at for, like, a long time. You know what I mean? But again, not a financial advisor, not an economist. I I saw it running in like on stream. I mean, we called it out, we mentioned it, and I didn't take the trade, but I wanted to look into it, and it looks like a front company to be if I'm being honest, it looks like a front company. I mean, the most recent report, 2020. Like, what do you mean? You know, if you're an active company, you're gonna be, posting that constantly. They weren't even public or listed on Ortex as of 2020. That I showed you, the chart. But nonetheless, I'm gonna be on for the rest of after hours here, probably doing some more DD, digging around. I'm gonna be running an XRP chart all evening or all weekend, excuse me, and then I will be back on for Monday. I hope that I will catch you there. You guys have a good one, and check out my playlist about value stocks. I think that some of them are some real bangers, and I think that it might be worth a watch. But again, not a financial advisor. Make your own decisions, and have a great weekend.